powerful and the most merciful. आज यदे गुस्तित सर्वाना मासा नमस्कार. Today, what a wonderful day. 3 important events on a single day. That is foundation of Maharashtra, foundation of Gujarat, and the World Workers' Day, May Day. On this day, the dignitaries who are sharing the dais with me, Dr. Prashant Narnavare, Secretary to me in Raj Bhavan, and Professor Suresh Gosavi, Vice Chancellor, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Dr. Parag Kelkar, Pro Vice Chancellor, Sri S. Ramaswamy, my Deputy Secretary in Raj Bhavan, members of the faculty, artists from BMC Music Department, student and cultural coordinators of Savitribai Phule Pune University, and my dear colleagues from Raj Bhavan. I am immensely happy and proud to witness the cultural performance presented by the students of our Savitribai Phule Pune University. What a wonderful performance by them. Yes, they had presented the real Maharashtra and Gujarat culture on the stage. Really, I appreciate them for their wonderful, outstanding performance. If one word I have to say, describe it, it is outstanding. And dear students and artists from BMC Music Department, please accept my heartiest congratulations for bringing to life the rich and diverse cultural heritage of Maharashtra and Gujarat through your dance and song. All of us are indeed happy to celebrating the 66th Foundation Day of Maharashtra and Gujarat in this historic Raj Bhavan. Yes, was mentioned by Dr. Prashant Narnavare. It was in this Raj Bhavan that the new state of Maharashtra was formally inaugurated by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, in the year 1960. Through Maharashtra, though Maharashtra and Gujarat were carved from the erstwhile Bombay state, they are more than neighbors. They are two bodies of one soul. You all know today, though our Prime Minister is from Gujarat, he has not gone to Gujarat to celebrate the Foundation Day of Gujarat, but he came to Maharashtra to celebrate the Foundation Day of Maharashtra. That is what a real leader will do. That's what our great Modi has done today. Our history, struggles and aspirations are inseparably linked. The great personalities produced by Maharashtra and Gujarat cannot be identified with their state alone. You take anybody. If there is no Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, I don't think that my name will be Radhakrishnan, but it will be something else. How many of us know that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj came to Tamil Nadu to save the Hindu culture in Tamil Nadu? Because of him only the Tiruvannamalai, Lord Shiva, the very famous for fire. We worship the god as fire. Tiruvannamalai is known for god as fire, and Tiruvannamalai is ancient temple. Lord Shiva temple is saved only because of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We came to Chennai to worship the Kali Hambal, captured Chenji Fort, he captured Vellore Fort, he captured the Tanjavur Palace. Till the British rule was over, the Tanjavur was ruled by Bhosles. What is the difference between the Marathas conquering the Tamil Nadu and the Mughals conquering the rest of the country? Very simple. The Marathas never destroyed the Tamil culture, rather they saved the Tamil culture and they put all the great literatures of Tamil in one single library in Tanjavur, that is Saraswati Mahal Library. They saved the ancient Tamil literature. That is the greatness of Marathas. One day when there is a small function here, and some of the Maharashtra MLA said Jai Maharashtra. Then they will keep silent. I told them Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bharat. Then they were looking at me, I told them, otherwise you have to do the same work what Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has done. You have to conquer the entire country again. Already the country is one, it is our duty to save it. Why we are not worried about Pakistan now? Pakistan is so small today compared to India, and if we all are together, then India is big. If we all are together, India is fifth largest economy. If we all are together, it will be third largest economy. If we all are together by 2047, it will be the number one economy of the world. So we have to be together. The great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, as I told, is the first king who gave the call for Swarajya. No conqueror can rule me, I am the ruler. That is where the real war of independence started, as far as the real history of India is concerned. And likewise, the great land architect of the Constitution, Bharat Ratna, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar today belongs to the entire nation. If Baba Ambedkar ji is not given the Constitution, India cannot be a great democratic country as today. That is his great contribution. That is the difference between the Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. We all got the independence. But today India is becoming a powerful nation, a world power because of the Constitution. That is the great contribution of the great son of Bharat, our Bharat Ratna, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And you take Gujarat, Mahatma Gandhi ji means non-violence, ahimsa. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel means unity. Morarji Bhai Desai means selfless administration. Today our Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi means Vikas, development, development, development. So all these two states' contribution to modern India, the patriotic India, is immense and it is uncomparable. Both Maharashtra and Gujarat have made invaluable contribution to India's spiritual legacy, our freedom struggle, our parliamentary democracy, and to building a modern industrialized nation. Today, the two states recognized as economic powerhouses, progressive, dynamic, and business-friendly. I urge upon the people of Gujarat to explore the vibrant heritage of Maharashtra, the majestic forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj era and its UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Likewise, I call upon the people of Maharashtra to visit the wonders of Gujarat from Rann of Kutch to the Gir forests, from the Sabarmati Ashram to the iconic Statue of Unity. Through such efforts, we can promote the essence of this function. Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. That is why Modi ji has given a big call for all the Raj Bhavans to celebrate the foundation day of every state and union territory. I once again extend my congratulations to Savitribai Phule Pune University and its Vice Chancellor, Professor Suresh Gosavi, to the brilliant students and artists of the BMC Music Department for their excellent cultural presentation, and the entire team who trained them, who shaped them. Their performance looked like professionals that we have to appreciate and we have to accept it. They never look like amateurs, they look like professionals. I have seen there is no step missing when the music was there. Every step was so accurate, and let us work together. The unity of the nation is more important than ever. We all are growing, not because of our regional feeling, but because of our patriotic feeling. We all are strong today, not because of our regional feeling, but because of our patriotic feeling. We are together. That's why the great national poet from Tamil Nadu, Mahakavi Bharati, said, Seppumali Padinetudayal Eninum Sindhanai Onrudayal. The meaning is, we speak, he said 18 languages, maybe we are speaking more than that. But what he said is, we speak 18 different languages, but our thinking is always one. There is no change in it. Every culture you take, there are only small difference, but ultimately the base is same. The folk dance of every state you take, the folk music of every state you take, the worshipping style you take, everything is only small change here and there. The dressing changes are small here and there, but ultimately the color sense, ultimately the way they are wearing, their culture is one. And India is united only because, in spite of we speak different languages, we divide by so many communities, caste, all these things, differences are there, but still the wonder is why India is united, nobody is able to break it. That is only because through our languages we follow only one single phenomena, that is dharma. Our life is based on dharma, a single dharma from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And that is the reason, that is the wonder for most of the Europeans and Americans, how this country is surviving in spite of so many languages, so many castes, so many local festivals. Within the region also there are so many regions. In spite of all these things, we are one. Because I will tell you, very honestly I will tell you, when Shiva means, whether Lord Shiva is coming to my mind or not, but Chhatrapati Shiva is coming to my mind because he is the first king in this country who rose against the aggressors and he established the Swarajya in his lifetime. And I am once again wish you all a happy Gujarat State Foundation Day and happy Maharashtra State Foundation Day and May Day. Bug bug. Koop koop dhanabad. No? Be good dhanabad. And in Gujarat, I want to say few words. A Gujarati asked me, Kimche. I said to him, Majama, because of your continued support to one single leader who wants to take this India to the top of the world, that is Narendra Modi, I said. So, Kimche means we all are Majama because of the continued support to Narendra Modi, because a leader can become a leader when he is winning from his own state. Otherwise, he has to become a governor. So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Gujarat. Thank you everyone.